Ready to see how AI is transforming the battlefield? The future of military technology is here, and it's more advanced than you could ever imagine. From autonomous drones to intelligent cybersecurity systems, AI is reshaping how wars are fought and won. But with these advancements come critical ethical questions. Are we prepared for the implications of AI in warfare? Let's dive into the top 5 ways AI is set to revolutionize military technology. Number 5. Autonomous drones. Imagine a fleet of drones that can operate independently, carrying out surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat missions without human intervention. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's happening now. Developed by companies like General Atomics and Boeing, autonomous drones use advanced AI algorithms to make real-time decisions on the battlefield. These drones can navigate complex environments, identify targets, and execute missions with incredible precision. Think of it like the drones from Spider-Man: Far From Home, but even smarter and more autonomous. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In 2023, DARPA tested autonomous drones that can collaborate in swarms, communicating with each other to execute coordinated attacks. This technology could revolutionize how military operations are conducted, offering unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. A recent demonstration showed a swarm of 50 drones autonomously locating and neutralizing a simulated enemy target in a rugged environment, proving their potential in real-world scenarios. However, the rise of autonomous drones raises significant ethical and legal concerns. What happens if a drone makes a mistake? Who is held accountable for its actions? These are questions that military leaders and policymakers are grappling with. Furthermore, the potential for these drones to be hacked or malfunction adds another layer of complexity. In a world where cyber threats are ever present, ensuring the security and reliability of autonomous drones is paramount. So, what do you think? Are autonomous drones the future of warfare, or are we opening Pandora's box? Let us know in the comments. Number 4. AI-powered cybersecurity. In the age of cyber warfare, protecting military networks from attacks is more critical than ever. Enter AI-powered cybersecurity systems, which use machine learning to detect and respond to threats in real time. Companies like Darktrace and CrowdStrike are at the forefront of this technology, developing AI systems that can identify patterns in network traffic and flag suspicious activity. These systems can adapt to new threats faster than human analysts, providing a crucial defense against cyber attacks. Think of it as the digital equivalent of Jarvis from Iron Man, constantly monitoring and defending against threats. But here's where it gets even more impressive. AI can also be used offensively in cyber warfare. Imagine an AI that can infiltrate enemy networks, gather intelligence, and even disable critical infrastructure. This technology is already being explored by military agencies around the world. In 2024, a simulated cyber attack using AI demonstrated the potential to disrupt entire communication networks within minutes. The implications for national security are profound, highlighting the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of AI in cyber warfare are vast. How do we ensure these tools are used responsibly? What safeguards are in place to prevent misuse? Additionally, the constant evolution of cyber threats means that AI systems must continuously learn and adapt. This requires a significant investment in training data and algorithms to keep them effective. So, what do you think? Is AI-powered cybersecurity the key to protecting our digital future? Or are we playing with fire? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 3. Intelligent surveillance systems. Surveillance is a crucial aspect of military operations, and AI is taking it to the next level. Intelligent surveillance systems can process vast amounts of data from various sensors, including satellites, drones, and ground-based cameras. Companies like Palantir and Clearview AI are developing systems that use facial recognition, pattern analysis, and predictive algorithms to monitor and track potential threats. These systems can identify suspicious behavior, predict movements, and provide real-time intelligence to military commanders. It's like having Batman's detective vision in The Dark Knight, but in real life. But here's where it gets even more compelling. AI can also integrate data from multiple sources to create a comprehensive picture of the battlefield. This enables commanders to make informed decisions quickly, improving situational awareness and operational effectiveness. In recent conflicts, intelligence surveillance systems have been credited with identifying and neutralizing threats before they could escalate. The ability to anticipate enemy actions and respond proactively is a game changer for military strategy. For example, in a recent operation, AI surveillance systems detected unusual activity near a critical infrastructure site, allowing military forces to intervene and prevent a potential attack. However, the use of AI in surveillance also raises privacy and civil liberties concerns. How do we balance security with individual rights? These are questions that society must address as this technology becomes more widespread. Moreover, the potential for AI surveillance to be used for domestic monitoring or political repression is a significant concern. Ensuring that these technologies are used ethically and within the bounds of the law is crucial. So, what do you think? Are intelligent surveillance systems the future of military intelligence, or are we sacrificing too much privacy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Number 2, AI-enhanced decision-making. In the heat of battle, making the right decision quickly can mean the difference between victory and defeat. AI-enhanced decision-making systems provide commanders with the tools they need to make informed choices in real time. Developed by companies like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman, these systems use machine learning algorithms to analyze data from the battlefield, predict outcomes, and recommend courses of action. It's like having a super intelligent advisor by your side, guiding you through the fog of war, much like the strategic AI in war games. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. AI can simulate various scenarios, allowing commanders to test different strategies and see the potential outcomes. This capability is invaluable for planning and executing complex missions. In 2023, a joint military exercise demonstrated the power of AI-enhanced decision-making. Commanders were able to adapt to changing conditions faster than ever before, leading to a decisive victory in the simulated conflict. Additionally, these systems can help reduce human error and cognitive overload, ensuring that decisions are based on comprehensive data analysis rather than gut instinct alone. Of course, relying on AI for critical decisions raises ethical questions. Can we trust AI to make the right call in high-stakes situations? What happens if the AI's recommendation leads to unintended consequences? Furthermore, the potential for bias in AI algorithms must be addressed. Ensuring that these systems are transparent and accountable is essential for their ethical deployment. So, what do you think? Is AI-enhanced decision-making the future of military strategy, or are we putting too much faith in machines? Let us know in the comments. Number 1, autonomous combat robots. And finally, we arrive at the most groundbreaking development, autonomous combat robots. These machines are designed to operate independently on the battlefield, carrying out missions without human intervention. Developed by defense giants like Boston Dynamics and BAE Systems, autonomous combat robots are equipped with advanced AI, allowing them to navigate complex environments, engage targets, and adapt to changing conditions. Imagine the T-800 from Terminator, but on our side. Hopefully. But here's where it gets even more incredible. These robots can work together in units, coordinating their actions to achieve mission objectives. Imagine a platoon of robots conducting a raid with precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. In 2024, a prototype combat robot successfully completed a series of live-fire exercises, demonstrating its ability to identify and engage targets autonomously. This milestone represents a significant leap forward in military technology. However, the deployment of autonomous combat robots raises profound ethical and legal questions. Who is responsible for the actions of these machines? How do we ensure they adhere to the laws of war and human rights? Furthermore, the potential for these robots to be used in urban warfare scenarios presents new challenges. Ensuring that they can distinguish between combatants and civilians is critical to preventing unnecessary harm. So, what do you think? Are autonomous combat robots the future of warfare, or are we crossing a dangerous line? Share your thoughts in the comments. And that's a wrap for our top 5 ways AI is revolutionizing military technology. If this video blew your mind, smash that like button. Want more cutting-edge tech content? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to catch the pulse of the AI revolution. Until next time, stay alert and stay informed.